When you claim that after accepting the Quran as the judge and Meezan, even the Prophet does not have the authority, nor does anyone else, to set any conditions or specifications on it, yet you do just that.
What is the Quran? Is the Quran simply a collection of words? All are part of the divine speech spoken by God Almighty. And when the question arises as to who arranged it, it's the creator of the universe himself. So Maulana Abul Al-Maududi interprets it as Sharia. Thus, these are interpretative disagreements, and it is because of these that we are not merely presenting our perspective, we are also presenting our rationale. As regards the rules, the principles, and the various linguistic styles, there are essentially two possibilities. It could be the language of the Arabs or the views of language experts, and it was in that vein that I referenced Mubni al-Labib in Zamakshari too. Quran is not a book composed of a mere collection of words. You cannot just open a dictionary and look up the meaning of al-mushrikun and find that it means polytheists everywhere and apply that to the Quran. Words in the Quran form specific sentences. These sentences have a context and a specific backdrop. It's the context that determines those conditions and specifications. Regarding instructions to wives, the Quran states, فَإِذُوهُنَّ, that is, advise them, وَهْجُرُوهُنَّ فِي الْمَضَاجِعِ, meaning that if that fails, leave them alone in their beds, and then وَضْرِبُوهُنَّ, which means, and if that too fails in rectifying them, then punish them.